Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through a quick and easy guide on how to clear all chats in WhatsApp. If your chat list feels a little cluttered and you want a fresh start without uninstalling the app, this step-by-step tutorial will help you do just that. Before we begin, make sure you're using the latest version of WhatsApp so that everything looks the same as what you see here. Alright, let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Once it's open, look to the top right corner of your screen and tap on the three dots. That's the menu button that gives you access to more options inside the app. From there, tap on Settings. Inside Settings, you'll see several sections, but for this task, tap on Chats. This is where all the chat-related options are located, including things like chat backup, wallpaper, and chat history. Now scroll down a bit until you see an option called Chat History. Go ahead and tap on that. In this menu, you'll find a few different choices, but what we're looking for is Clear All Chats. When you tap Clear All Chats, WhatsApp will ask you to confirm. This step is important because once you confirm, all messages from every chat will be removed from your phone. If you want to keep your chats but just empty out the messages inside them, select Clear All Chats instead of Delete All Chats, then confirm your choice, and you're done. After confirming, you'll notice that your chats are still visible in your list, but all the messages inside them are gone. It's a simple and effective way to tidy things up and free up some space on your device. And that's it. You've successfully cleared all chats in WhatsApp. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials, and share this video with someone who might find it useful.